Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a slow sales process in Pipedrive. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if your deals are sitting in the pipeline for too long, you can use Pipedrive to identify bottlenecks, automate repetitive tasks, and even make sure deals keep moving forward. So in order to do this, you want to go ahead and open up Pipedrive and sign into your account. And then on the left hand side, go ahead and click on the deal section. Now, basically, you want to go ahead and find where the deals are getting stuck. So look at your pipeline and identify stages where deals are spending the most time. For example, if you have new leads, contacted, demo scheduled, proposal sent, and you notice a lot of deals sitting in proposal sent, then that could be your bottleneck. So you want to go ahead and check how long these deals stay in each stage. So open individual deals and you want to review their activity history. So look for things like long periods without activity, missed follow-up, still sitting in the same stage for weeks, tasks that were never completed, or proposals waiting for a response. Now, this is going to help you figure out why the sales process is slow rather than simply moving deals around.